Hi and welcome back. There are a few videos already out there on how to replace the belts on the second generation digital compact cassette Philips DCC 600, but the same mechanism from the 600 is used in various others, like the smaller compact versions from the DCC 300 series, but also the 91 and 450. On those it's more complicated to remove the mechanism, and as you can see, the tray loading belt needs replacing on this one because it lacks power to close. In this video we will show you how to replace both belts. Firstly, we remove the screws on both sides. Followed by the screws on the back. Remove the cover from the back, like this. Then remove the cover from the loading tray. Now you have access to a screw that has to be removed. With a small flat tool, remove the display like this, from the side, top to bottom. The remaining two screws left and right can be removed. In the service manual, it is specifically mentioned how to remove the mechanism by releasing a hidden lever from the front. That is why you have to remove the display cover to prevent breaking that lever. We can now disconnect all cables to remove the mechanism. We replace the tray loading belt so the mechanism can open and close normally again. Replacing the capstan belt is a bit tricky. You will have to be gentle in removing both top covers to gain access, as these are held down with pins that can break easily. After we have cleaned all the pulleys, it's time to replace the belt. When putting back the covers, you have to make sure to centralize everything. You will hear a click. Everything is working as expected. Double check if there is still double-sided tape left on both sides before putting back the display cover. Another project done. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.